Welcome to Toon Morph Madness. Which minion are you most excited for? Tell me quick in the comments below. Iron Man. Transformation Super Minion. Spider-Man. Transformation Super Minion. Black Widow. Transformation Super Minion. Hulk. Transformation Raging Minion. Moon Knight. Transformation Super Minion. Captain America. Transformation Super Minion. Loki. Transformation Super Minion. Green Lantern. Transformation Super Minion. Wolverine. Transformation Super Minion. Black Panther. Transformation Super Minion. Cyclops. Transformation Super Minion. Batman. Transformation Super Minion. Aquaman. Transformation Super Minion. Thanos. Transformation Super Minion. She-Hulk. Transformation Super Minion. Venom. Transformation Super Minion. Doctor Strange. Transformation Super Minion. The Flash. Transformation Super Minion. Deadpool. Transformation Super Minion. Wonder Woman. Transformation Super Minion. Daredevil. Transformation Super Minion. Beast. Transformation Super Minion. Thor. Transformation Super Minion. Gamora. Transformation Super Minion. Nick Fury. Transformation Super Minion. Robin. Transformation Super Minion. Carnage. Transformation Super Minion. Groot. Transformation Super Minion. Mr. Fantastic. Transformation Super Minion. Star-Lord. Transformation Super Minion. Scarlet Witch. Transformation Super Minion. Ant-Man. Transformation Super Minion. Dr. Doom. Transformation Super Minion. The Thing. Transformation Super Minion. Falcon. Transformation Super Minion. Vision. Transformation Super Minion. Ghost Rider. Transformation Super Minion. Green Goblin, Transformation Super Minion. Shazam, Transformation Super Minion. Professor X, Transformation Super Minion. Nebula, Transformation Super Minion. Red Skull, Transformation Super Minion. Hawkeye, Transformation Super Minion. Superman, Transformation Super Minion. Drax, Transformation Super Minion. Black Adam, Transformation Super Minion. Human Torch, Transformation Super Minion. The Joker, Transformation Super Minion. Colossus, Transformation Super Minion. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.